In this video, I'm going to show you how to modify email on Cursor AI. So firstly, go to Cursor AI and log into your account. So once you've logged into your account here, so you can click on your dashboard here, so where you have logged in, and you'll get to this screen here. Okay, so now from here, scroll down and you'll get to this billing and invoices option here. Click on the billing and invoices option. Okay, and from there you'll get to this screen here. So here, what we're going to do, click on manage subscription. Okay, click on manage subscription, and once you click on manage subscription, that will open up this page here. So from here, in order to change the email address, go to billing information here. So from the billing information, you'll have your email address here. So what you have to do is click on update information. Click on update information, and here you have the email address here where you will be able to edit it or modify it and make whatever changes you want to. Once that's done, all you have to do is click on save, and that's it. Your email address would be modified.